My name is Gomes. I've been using a Skoda Rapid for the last 3 years now. Mine is the high-end Rapid, an automatic transmission, and I found the vehicle to be an excellent vehicle. In 3 years, it has not given me a single bit of trouble. Regular services have been done. I've been dealing with the SGA Cars also. I purchased the vehicle from them. And over the last 3 years, I found service to be excellent, and that's the word I can use. It is really beyond compare. And their new premises, the new service center, is really world class. The staff, excellent again. The reception is wonderful, and I found that I get the service that I need or I want, what I expect. I've never had any problem. They do the insurance as well. They do the other formalities. Everything is done on time. I'm well informed about the service timing, the dues, service, the delivery is exactly on time, and I find the work to be to my complete satisfaction. I would recommend any model of a Skoda to anybody very confidently. Thank you.